so much to learn about. It'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi. And do you want to draw something with me? Yeah, what a great piece of paper for that. Hey, why don't we draw an animal together? But what animal? Oh, you saw a stuffed animal earlier? Where? Oh, right here? Whoa, yeah, a stuffed animal. And this is a dolphin. Whoa, dolphins love to swim in the water. Whoa, especially the ocean. Wow, cool. That's a great idea. So let's take the color blue and start with the top of the body. So we're gonna draw a very long arch and make a gap right in the middle, just like that, for the fin. Look at that. Whoa, cool. And then let's draw the tail. Whoop, woo, whoop, woo. And then let's draw the bottom of the body. There we go. And you can't forget about, yeah, just like that. And a big smile and an eye. Now it's looking like a dolphin, right? Is it complete? No, it needs fins. Let's draw one right there on that side. And then we go like this. Oh, there's one. Perfect. Yeah, 1, 2, 3 fins. Yeah, and the tail, yeah, those aren't fins, but that's one tail. Whoa, and do you see how it looks like it's smiling? Yeah, dolphins always look like they're smiling, even if they're not smiling. Whoa, dolphins are so cool. They live in groups. Yeah, about 10 to 12 dolphins, and that is called a pod of dolphins. Yeah, and dolphins actually don't breathe underwater. They hold their breath, just like you and I. And do you know how they breathe? Yeah, they have a little hole right there. There we go. Yeah, that's the blowhole. When they go to the surface, they get some air, and then when they go underwater, they hold their breath. Whoa, dolphins are so cool. And they're also very smart. Their brains are as big as yours and mine. Wow, very smart, very cool animals. Well, if you like drawing a dolphin with me and want to draw some more, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi. Today, you and I are gonna draw Tabs. Tabs is my cat friend, who's also a robot. So to draw Tabs, I'm actually gonna draw Tabs in the color orange. And then first, I'm gonna draw her body just like this. Ooh, her ears, ooh, a very white body. Another ear. And then for her face, ooh, she is so cute, just so happy all the time. And then a big smile with the tongue. There we go. And for her arms, we'll do some ovals just like that. Yeah, hey kitty cat, hey kitty cat. A big circle right there. Ooh, and what else does she need? She needs some ears right there, some feet right here. Whoa, look at her go. She is so cute. And you can't forget about the swirls right here. Hey, and cats also have tails. Yeah, Tabs does. All right, there we go. And some lines right here on the side. If you love drawing with me and want to draw some more, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Yeah, B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-wee. Hey, it's me, Blippi, and look at what's in my hand. Yeah, a unicorn. Wow, I love unicorns. Yeah, they kind of look like horses, right? But they're magical. Whoa! Do you want to draw a unicorn with me? Yeah, that sounds like fun. All right. First, let's start with the color black. And then let's draw an oval for the head. Whoa! And then, yeah, do you see its mouth and nose? There we go. And a big smile. And let's draw an eye. Whoa! And now let's draw a rectangle for the neck, just like that. And then a big body. So then we can make this unicorn fly later with all of its magic. Whoa! 2 cute ears, half circles, just like that. And then for the legs, unicorns have 4 legs. 1, 2, 3, 4. Whoa! Whoa! And what's this unicorn missing? Yeah, its horn. Whoa! Whoa! Look at that! Oh, it's coming from the top of its head. Yeah, and are unicorns black and white? Well, some are white, but all unicorns are colorful. Wow! Let's use some colors for the mane and the tail. First, let's take some purple. Whee! Whoa, there we go. Whoa, and then the tail. Wow. Whoa, and then let's take some bright green. Whoa, there we go. Wow, this unicorn is so pretty. Here's some green right there. Ooh, some squiggle lines. Whoa, and then some pink. Whoa, yeah, it's so magical looking. Whoa, I bet it's flying through the sky and noticing that the world below it needs some magic. Here it goes, woohoo! Hey, I have an idea. Why don't we make the horn pink? There we go. How does that look? What a beautiful unicorn! Whoa! If you love drawing with me and had fun drawing this unicorn together and wanted to draw some more, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi. Do you know who my best friend in the whole entire world is other than you? Yeah, Meekah. And today, you and I can draw Meekah's headband. Whoa, you know how I wear a hat? She wears a headband. All right, I'm gonna take the color black and draw a bow tie. Yeah, just like this. Oh, I like bow ties, obviously. And then we'll go up here like that. Whoa, and then we'll draw a big circle. And then we'll draw another one. Whoa, doesn't that look like a bow tie that goes around her head? Yeah, and we can draw some lines to give it some texture. Yeah, like it's wrinkles. And then what color is her headband? Yeah, yellow. All right, let's draw some yellow. Woohoo! Coloring, coloring. I'm coloring some yellow. Woohoo! There we go. Wow, I love Meekah's headband. And I love Meekah. What a great friend. And what a great friend to you. If you want to keep drawing with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Yeah, ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi, and I think we should draw a panda together. Since pandas are black and white, and the paper is white, I'm gonna grab a black marker, and I'm gonna draw a circle for the head. Whoa! And then a circle for the body. Kind of like that, yeah. And then an arched line up there, and another one. Yeah, for the ears. And then a leg down here, which is a curved line. Ooh, and another leg down there. Ooh, and you can't forget about the arms. They're gonna go inside, like sideways U's. Whoa! And then we're gonna draw some eyes, which are black circles. Oh, a cute nose and a smiley face. All right, now we get to color them in. Here we go. All right, there's one arm. Color that one in. Perfect. And then a leg. Another leg, and you can't forget about the ears. Wow, if you like pandas and love drawing with me and want to draw some more, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Yeah, ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you again, bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi, and I was just acting like I was driving a race car. Race cars are so fast. Hey, maybe you and I can draw a race car. All right, first let's start with the color blue, and let's draw the wheels and tires. Every race car has 4 wheels and tires, but since we're drawing it from the side, all we need to do is draw 2. And do you see those tires? Yeah, they're circles. Ooh, and let's draw the body of the race car. Whoa, a nice aerodynamic shape. Whoa, so fast. And then let's draw a triangle for the back right there. a triangle for the front right here. Whoa, cool. And then let's switch colors. And let's draw red flames because they're so fast. Cool. And let's not forget about the spoiler. Whoa, doesn't that look like a cool race car? I know, right? Well, if you like race cars and you love drawing with me and want to draw some more, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi. And today, you and I are gonna draw an animal. And this animal is an animal that cowboys and cowgirls love to ride. And they go, yee-haw, and it gallops. Yeah, a horse. And today, you and I are gonna draw a brown horse. So let's start with an oval right there, a rectangle for the neck, and then a big oval right there. Ooh, and some rectangles for the legs. Yeah, this is looking like a beautiful horse. And then let's draw the mane. Whoa, very nice. Can't forget about that ear. Ooh, and a smiley face. And the tail. Whee! Whoa! Horses are amazing and they love to run. Whoa! Now, does that look like a beautiful horse that you would love to ride? I know, me too. Well, if you love drawing with me and want to draw some more, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Yeah, ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye.
Come on, everyone, let's make learning fun. Blippi. So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout.